Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Social Sciences and Creativity. This is me Jayant Datta, your friend and guide. Today I shall discuss on the career options and future planning for humanities and social sciences stream. Academically I belong to humanities and social science stream or field. So I have proper idea and I think I am capable to discuss on this topic. Let's start. Humanities is a nice stream. Humanities stream includes creativity, our mindset, our thinking, something different. Basically, humanities stream is known as arts stream. So don't be confused. It might be humanities or it might be arts. Both are same. So in India, we are having different kind of school education board such as state boards, such as Central Board of Secondary Education, such as ICSC, ISC, all this. And other boards are also we are having. So after completion of our secondary board examination or 10th class board public examination, we have to start our higher studies or further studies. So for higher studies, we are having three options for stream selection. Option number 1, we have humanities and social sciences. Option number 2, we have science and technology stream. And option number 3, we are having commerce and management oriented stream. So basically, we have humanities, commerce and science option of these three streams. So being an individual, we have to identify first of all our own demand, own needs, own interest, own mindset, and what kind of things we want to do in our future. How to become successful on the basis of our own talent, own knowledge, own mindset, whatever. So, being a student of humanities and social science field, I am going to discuss or I shall clarify on this topic. Let us start. So, humanities stream includes or humanities stream deals with the subjects, very interesting subjects we have under humanities field, such as languages and literatures. In India, we have, as per the Indian constitution, we are having 22 number of modern Indian languages. It has been mentioned in Indian constitution. So we have total 22 number of modern Indian languages, as well as we have European, American, international, different kind of languages, and each language has its own literature and communication field. So first option for humanities people, language and literature. Second option or second subject is communication oriented field. Nowadays we have been dealing with social media. So I think mass communication, journalism, it would be the best career option. And nowadays lots of school education board, they have their option that media studies, mass communication, like this kind of subject. So student can choose this subject also if he or she is interested to pursue that communication oriented field as their career or profession. So we are having languages and literature, we have mass communication and journalism, we have media studies, we have legal field such as that law, different kind of legal courses we are having. After completion of class 12 board, any student can enter into law field, as well as after completion of their graduation or bachelor degree course also they have option to choose that field. So we have language literatures, we have mass communication, we have journalism, we have media oriented profession, we have legal studies. Apart from these subjects, also we have option of social sciences. So social science, so we know in my previous videos I have been discussed that the scientific study of the society, the relationship between the human being and society, the several kind of aspects, different kind of mindset. It might be political, social, economical, historical, whatever, all goes to in one stream that is called social sciences. So what are the subjects does social science stream have? Social science stream deals with multiple number of subjects such as history, geography, political science, sociology, economics, public administration, psychology, anthropology, mass communication, media studies, and so on. Now, the most important question which has been raising to each and every individual's mindset, that is, what kind of subject, what kind of career, what kind of future shall we make for us, for our betterment? If any person, any student, any individual, anybody, if he or she feel that we are creative, or I have a creative mindset, I can write, I can communicate, I am capable to do anything on the basis of creativity, and I want to pursue that administrative oriented profession. So I think humanities and social science could be the best option for their higher studies. Basically, after completion of our secondary board examination, we have to choose our stream as well as subjects at 11th class. And after completion of our 11th and 12th class board examination, we have to register ourselves, we have to take admission for our undergraduate courses under any university affiliated institute or under any bachelor degree course program. So when we are going to choose our subjects for 11th class or 12th class, we have to first we need to make our own plan. See, as per the Indian academical system, we are having three options. Previously I have been already discussed. So what are the subjects we have to choose for 11th class? Let us start. We have different kind of boards such as state board, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education, Bihar Board, Tamil Nadu Board, Assam Board, Tamil Nadu Board, Jharkhand Board, Andhra Pradesh Board, like this way. These are state board. Apart from a state board, we are having options of ICSC, ISC, CBSC, all this. So whatever board do you belong, so subject selection combination, it would depends upon that board, as well as it depends upon your school or institutions where you are going to take admission for your higher secondary or senior secondary courses. So basically we know that for any board there are some compulsory courses and there are some elective and optional courses. So the compulsory courses for humanities, science and commerce, for these three streams, the compulsory courses language and literature section. So English is compulsory language and literature, and along with English people have to study, or people have option to choose any Indian languages. Instead of Indian languages, we can choose also foreign language. It would depends upon that board. Previously I have said. So basically we have to study English language or literature. We have to study Indian languages and literature, and Indian languages and literature there is also option for classical language and literature such as Sanskrit literature, Arabic literature, Pali literature, all this. And also we have option for foreign language and literary studies such as German, French, like this. So these are language and literature oriented subjects. So apart from language and literature oriented field, we have option for social sciences subjects such as history, geography, political science, public administration, sociology, psychology, media studies, home management. Also we have option for music, painting, etc, etc, etc. So now the basic question is, how do I identify, how do I choose my stream? What would be the best way to select the proper subjects as per my qualities? So before going to take any stream, I think we need to take one pen and paper, and we have to note down our qualities, our hobbies, our interest on that paper, and on the basis of that self analysis we have to confirm that whatever we have thought and whatever we are thinking, on the basis of that we need to make our plan for stream selection. So if any student feels that he or she has good creative mindset, he or she is able to write, That means if any person has good writing skill, good communication skill, good management oriented skill, good creative mindset, so I think humanities and social sciences would be the best option for their higher studies, for their further studies, and for their career and future. And I think humanities people have creative mindset, so they can make their future or career on media communication oriented field. Let's see, now I am making my videos before YouTube. So this is social media. Here I have to communicate myself among the society, among my viewers, among the public. So communication is needed. Just because I have good writing skill and as well as I am having good communication skill, I have good knowledge of communication, therefore I am capable to make this work and I am doing that one. So if you have communication skill, you can choose humanities. So apart from communication, in India we have superlative services such as Indian Administrative Services through UPSC or Union Public Service Commissions. So for civil services, for judicial services, for administrative sectors, we have to deal with the subjects for that examination, interview preparation. The basic subjects are history, geography, political science, international relations, public administration, sociology, Indian society, environment, languages, literatures, ethics, philosophy, contemporary issues, etc., etc., etc. So basically, if we observe properly the syllabus or curriculum for that UPSC examinations or any kind of provincial civil services or state civil services examinations, maximum number of subjects belong to the humanities stream. So if any person has been completed his or her academical qualification from humanities and social science background, I think in future he or she could properly prepare himself or herself for a civil services examination, which is the most powerful and prestigious profession, job, service, whatever in India as well as all over this world. And next option would be the legal field. So we have option for law. So we can proceed towards that UPSC examinations or state provincial civil services examinations. We can prepare ourselves for law. There is option of social welfare, social work, psychology, counseling, school teaching, higher studies oriented fields such as college and university oriented teaching. There is option of scholar, to become a scholar, that means PhD or research oriented degrees. We can do freelancing. Nowadays, freelancing is the most wonderful job. So whatever is going on in your mind, you have to show that thing before the society and before the people. That is the most responsible duty of that freelancer or freelancing oriented field and people. So today I have discussed the basic regarding humanities and social science oriented field, and on my next video I shall talk about on any other topic. And I am thankful to God, I am thankful to YouTube that we have good options. There is comment section, so guys kindly you put your comment, you put your point of view, whatever is going on in your mind, kindly you mention that thing on comment section, and I assure that on the basis of your comment I shall make my next videos. And if you like my video, if you respect whatever discussion I have been delivering, if you respect my mindset, if you like me, like my videos, so kindly subscribe my channel, like it, and do share, and be positive, think positive, and do whatever you want to do. Till then, goodbye.